Hey, it's Mike again with Throttle MAXX side-by-side gas pedal accessories. We're here at Renegade Power Sports in Centerville, Utah to introduce the release of the Throttle MAXX gas pedal accessory for the Yamaha YXZ. This is a 2018 YXZ 1000. The Throttle MAXX gas pedal will fit all YXZ models all years. We're going to show you how to install it and how to properly use it and why it'll make your YXZ ride a lot better. Okay, in your package you're going to get your YXZ Throttle MAXX pedal along with the hardware. It's just 2 bolts that are Phillips head. They're easy to install. All of these are laser cut and custom fit to each machine. You just slide it up into place to match the pedal. You can see the 2 holes provided, and then you'll install your bolts. You'll see that the bolts line up with the holes provided, and then you just finish up with your Phillips head. Tighten the hardware bolts down. You can see that it stays solid and steady and gives you full range of throttle on your YXZ pedal. We're going to show you how to use it next and how to properly place your foot. All right, once you have your Throttle MAXX installed on your Yamaha YXZ, we're going to show you how to use it. Foot placement is really important. You'll notice on these side-by-sides when you're riding, your foot is always up and extended, and your foot gets uncomfortable, and over the bumpy terrain, you get ankle and foot fatigue. With Throttle MAXX installed, you have your foot and leg in a comfortable position, and you can see how much steady, smooth throttle you get in the full range of motion on your throttle. You'll get better throttle response and better reaction and more comfort by your machine. If you go to throttlemacx.com, you can check out all of our side-by-side gas pedal accessories and some of the newer things we have coming out this year. Get Throttle MAXX on your YXZ. You'll ride much smoother and much better with no pain or fatigue.